If you are experiencing receding gums, then you have found a great video to watch. In this video, you will find 4 best home remedies to help grow back your receding gums. Your gums are not something that you should ignore. We present you homemade recipes that require only simple ingredients such as herbs and spices. So let's see them. 1. Green tea. Green tea has abundance of health benefits. It is full of antioxidants that fight free radicals. One of the antioxidants in green tea is catechins, and it helps in destroying any periodontal disease. This antioxidant can strengthen the connection between the gums and teeth. Its anti-inflammatory properties will lower the swelling of gums that cause oral disease. How to use it? 1 cup of green tea every morning. 2. Aloe vera. We present you another ingredient that can help you with the gum problem. It is aloe vera, and it has many health benefits, and most of them connected to skin problem. The reason is because aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and repairing capabilities. In case of receding gums, aloe vera will fight against inflammation and will turn the cells, which are very important for repairing the tissues. It will prevent other infections due to the antibacterial properties. So how to use it? Use a gel from aloe vera. There are 2 ways. The first one is to use aloe vera like a mouthwash and for brushing. Once you have floss and brush, put some aloe vera gel and once again brush the gums and teeth. This should last around 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse your mouth thoroughly. The other way is to use it as a mouthwash. 3. Oil pulling. One of the most effective treatment for receding gums is oil pulling. It also helps with other oral disease, and it is most known for healing cavities. Sesame oil has many health benefits and anti-inflammatory properties. It can reduce plaque buildup and destroy the toxins in the mouth. So how to use it? Take sesame oil and warm it up. Do not overheat the oil. You only need to warm it. Then brush the teeth and take the sesame oil in your mouth. Gargle it and swirl it around your mouth. Do this few minutes. 4. Lemon oil. These are known for their antiseptic and antibacterial properties. The lemon can stimulate the growth of receding gums. It will also destroy the bad breath. Lemons are acidic, and remember, too much of them can destroy enamel of your teeth. Do not use lemon oil every day. It should be used only 1 time in a week. So how to use it? Apply little bit of lemon oil on your finger